Hey everyone, check out this CIVIVI Bluetick. This knife has been buzzing around, and for good reason. It's designed by Brian Montalvo of Keen Ice and Knives, and the original custom version actually won Best MACK at the Blade Show Texas 2023. So, we're dealing with a pedigree design here, but at a price that's surprisingly accessible. First impressions? This thing feels solid. The G10 handle has this nice texture, not too aggressive, but grippy enough that you feel confident holding it. The ergonomics are on point too. They've got this 3D machine backspacer, which not only looks cool, but also adds some structural strength. It fits really well in my hand, and I can see this being comfortable for extended use. Now let's talk about the blade. It's 14C28N steel, which is a great choice for an EDC knife. It's got good edge retention, it's tough, and it's relatively easy to sharpen. The blade shape is a modified drop point, which is super versatile. You can use it for everything from opening boxes to more delicate tasks. The jimping on the spine is substantial, giving you extra control for those finer cuts. One of the standout features of the Bluetick is the nested liner lock. It's really smoothly integrated into the handle, giving the knife a clean, streamlined look. And it's got this cool textured finish on the lock bar that makes it easy to disengage, even with gloves on. They've also cleverly designed the right side of the lock to be slightly lower than the left, which makes closing the knife a breeze. It's these little details that really elevate the Bluetick above the competition. The action on this knife is fantastic. It opens smoothly and snaps into place with a satisfying click. There's no blade play whatsoever, which is a testament to the tight tolerances and quality construction. And speaking of quality, CIVIVI backs their knives with a lifetime warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. Plus, they have a US service center, which is a big plus for quick turnaround times if you ever need to use the warranty. So who is this knife for? Honestly, I think it's a great option for just about anyone. It's perfect for everyday carry, outdoor activities, or even just having around the house. It's got a premium feel without the premium price tag. If you're looking for a solid, reliable, and well-designed EDC knife, the CIVIVI Bluetick is definitely worth checking out. It's a real contender for the best EDC knife under $100, and I highly recommend it.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.